everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products for you. Today, I've got a perfect gift idea for anyone who's looking for a thoughtful self-care gift for the men in your life. You know, self-care these days is for all gender. So this time I gifted my husband something for him to achieve smoother, clearer skin, and he absolutely loves it. This is the Ulike X. Ulike's first ever IPL hair removal device designed specifically for men. You may wonder if these IPL hair removal devices are just for ladies to enjoy, but as far as I know, a lot of men are also looking for smoother, cleaner skin. That's why I think Ulike X could be the perfect gift for him. Whether it's for your husband, boyfriend, brother, or yourself, it'll be such a unique gift. It will take his self-care routine to the next level. And I've tried it out on my husband's body hair, and let me tell you, the results were actually amazing. So in this video, let's dive into the technologies behind the Ulike X and why this device could be the next viral gift for him. As for myself, I've tried Ulike's Air 3 and Air 10 before. Both were so impressive. And this one, Ulike X, is the newest addition to their product lineup. And it comes with some really exciting upgrades and features. The brand has taken all their latest technology and packed them into this device, including the dual lights for faster treatment, auto glide mode for effortless use, and an ice cooling technology for maximum comfort. Just take a look at this. Ulike X is designed to handle thicker, coarser hair, so if your partner or even yourself have a hard time with traditional hair removal methods, this could be the perfect solution. Unlike a lot of other brands, Ulike created this device just for men, which makes a huge difference. And it delivers up to 26 joules of energy with multiple pulses per flash. That means it's specifically optimized for men's hair, for men's thicker, coarser hair. After just 2 weeks of use, we've been seeing very visible difference. The hair regrowth has been much slower. One of the biggest improvements here is the dual lights. There are basically 2 lamps inside of this window. This is great because it allows this device to cover more skin area during the treatment. In one pass, you can basically cover more skin. The dual light device can get the job done quicker, and it's gonna be more effective than the single light device. And my personal favorite feature has to be the ice cooling technology, which is really important for the comfort of use. Even after 30 minutes of flashing and using this device, the contact point of the device can stay at around 61 Fahrenheit degrees, which means the treatments will be almost painless. My husband was surprised by how comfortable it was. I mean, compared to a lot of traditional hair removal methods like waxing, which he tried before, IPL treatment using Ulike X, it's so painless, it's so effortless. There is no discomfort. The Ulike X also offers a skin sensor which automatically detects the skin tone and adjusts the power. It makes sure the treatments are safe for different skin areas of the body. It even fully stops flashing when it detects that the skin tone is too deep, the skin area is too dark, so that it makes sure the IPL treatment is safe for different parts of the body. And what's more, it even detects tattooed skin. So when it sees tattoo, it'll fully stop. It stops working to protect the tattooed area. This feature is really smart. I believe a lot of men with tattoo would appreciate this feature because now with Ulike X, they can safely use IPL hair removal treatment. Another new and upgraded feature is the auto glide mode. It makes the whole process really easy. You don't have to press the flash button here. You just move it across the skin, it'll flash automatically. And it offers 3 different settings: fast, normal, and high. And you can easily treat different skin areas, whether it's your facial hair, chest, legs, etc. For peace of mind, I think you'll be happy to know that Ulike X has been rigorously tested. It's FDA cleared and certified by SGS, the world's leading testing and certification company. That's why you're getting a top quality product for you to safely use at home. Okay, now let's move on to a quick demo. Using the Ulike X is so easy. First, we shave the area to prep the skin, then switch the device to normal mode. What I love is how effortless it is. The dual lights and auto glide mode make it a breeze to treat larger areas like the arms. We also do it on the chest or legs. You can get things done in no time. You don't have to constantly press buttons. It just glides smoothly across the skin. You can also try the fast mode with triple pulse for larger areas. It goes down really quickly. High mode is for stubborn hair. Now let's talk about the results. After 2 weeks of using consistently, the hair regrowth has been so much slower, and the hair obviously looks thinner than before. But remember, this one isn't for a quick fix. It's more than just a quick fix because it offers long-term results. It makes long-term, like lasting hair removal easier and more manageable. Now, my husband decided to continuously use Ulike X in his routine because he's very happy with the progress so far, and I totally see why. And if you're wondering, Ulike X compares to something like Braun Silk Expert Pro 5, also a very popular IPL device. What are the differences? First of all, I think the power output is very different. Ulike X is designed specifically for men. It's very powerful. It's more effective and powerful than a lot of other IPL devices, including the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5. And this one, the Braun one, is more like a generic universal one for everybody. And the comfort level is different. I think guys deserve comfortable treatments as well. Ulike X offers advanced, very effective ice cooling feature, which makes sure that the treatment is more comfortable than the devices without ice cooling feature like the one with Braun. And I think the ease of use could be a little bit different. Ulike X offers a very smooth auto glide mode with 3 different speed levels. It is smart, automatic, and easy to use. While the Braun one, I think it offers some auto glide mode too, but it's not that smooth. So eventually it requires more manual input. And last but not least, the speed of the 2 devices are different. Because Ulike X offers dual lights, it's got 2 lamps in one screen. That means it's more effective, it's faster, and much more effective. And last but not least, the speed of treatment is very, very different because Ulike X offers dual lights. It's much faster than the single light device like the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5. It takes less than 10 minutes to treat a whole body with Ulike X, while it takes 15 minutes or 20 minutes to manually press the button and do the treatment with Braun Silk Expert Pro 5. So it makes a huge difference if you've been using it consistently in your routine. I know a lot of guys won't be as patient as ladies in terms of their routine. So I think this one is really important in terms of picking a right device for your man. So to wrap it up, my husband and I were both impressed by the Ulike X. I believe a lot of guys like him will appreciate the features that's specifically designed for men packed into this one device, which is amazing. Whether you're looking for something to treat yourself this season or to surprise someone special in your life, I think Ulike X will be a perfect choice. Trust me, if you notice your men are tired of constant upkeep, with their shaving or waxing, I mean, this device Ulike X is the way to go. Now, if you're interested, you want to experience it or give it to someone special, I've got the product links in the video description down below. It's available on both their brand website and Amazon. You can use my code Ulike X for a discount. It'll be only $329. Don't miss out this deal. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, use the comment section down below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!